doing a little bit of Florida hillbilly camping at a forest preserve here about an hour from West Palm Beach, I'd say. Kyle clearly joining me. Here's Lily, looking lovely. We're just having some fun. We're making frog legs, doing some fun with the camp here. So our friends have this campsite here on this really cool little piece of water. We're not sure we're gonna be able to do this today, which is kind of a bummer. This is a buggy that floats around, or doesn't float, but drives in the water here. So that's why it's really high. The platform is up here where you actually ride, and this is actually a truck chassis, which is kind of interesting. And then they build off a pickup truck chassis to do this with tractor tires and things like that. And we're just having a good time. Lily's performing admirably with the using the microwave for warming up some things, including fried rice, and then the camp is here. So just a fun little afternoon. It's just great to have your house with you when you're driving a van, right? You couldn't get too many other types of RVs in here. And if we were staying the night, could do it in complete comfort, which is awfully nice. So just a fun little video today. Not a lot of RV how-tos other than this is the kind of things you can do when you have a van RV. Just hang out with friends, and the music you're hearing is actually coming off of the speakers, external and internal, off the Jensen system, which is really, really nice.
This is the usual crowd. Tonight it's little, I don't know what's going on with tonight.
So how many of you have had frog legs before? Tastes like chicken, right? Maybe alligator, maybe, I don't know either. So this is how they are marinated in like lemongrass and
Turmeric.
that's the chef that doesn't want to be on camera. And you marinate them in lemongrass. I see chili in here, probably salt and pepper.
And turmeric.
Turmeric. And so I'm going to take a bite here.
Well, how are they cooking it?
And then we got the deep fry going on.
Pan fried.
Oh my God, they're like really well done. And hot too. Where's the cool one? And it kind of looks like a frog, right? Look at that. Ribbit, ribbit. Ow, hot.
Hot, careful.
Ooh,
How is it?
hot. I'm actually pretty good.
Pretty good? What it tastes like?
Tastes like frog.
Frog? But it is frog.
No, tastes like chicken. It's a really good, nice little done. Good job, Pete. Oh my God, they're hot. Okay, I would recommend frog legs. Give us some recoil.
Ready?
Give us some recoil. Woo! All right, so we're going swamp buggy riding. Maybe some shooting, I don't know. The pets are gonna be in the rig. Here's Luke, Van Life Luke. And the beauty of what we're doing right here is Volta Magic. So it's a 70% state of charge. 75%. So we are ready for a couple hours. Keeping the pets cool, right? In complete silence. That's the beauty of how we roll here with Volta. So we're getting ready to do the buggy ride. Especially built to do the swamps. Garrett, you're a pretty good driver, man. It's my first time on a mud bug. What'd you call it? A mud buggy. Mud bug.
Buggy.
Mud buggy. Oh, I know. Say hello to you two.
Hello, you too.
You're looking good today.
Yes.
I know. This is a shortcut.
That's a shortcut trail.
You stepped on my toe too. Push. Up.
I didn't know it is good. I don't know. That's gonna kick me out.
Go. Yeah. One more. Let's try to hit the water just. I can't believe you're in there barefoot.
In front of the bushes.
Hillbilly excitement. These are my shower shoes, man. I've been in these shoes for a long time.
Oh, you've been to jail then.
Oh!
Scotty, you gotta keep on going.
Right. Oh, he went down the water.
There.
Very unusual. I'm never in the water. So after an exciting day buggy riding, mud bug, right? What do they call those? Whatever it is. And shooting. The pets have been there in the rig for the last couple hours, so now we're at 50% state of charge. See that? Yes. Thank you, Volta. They're very comfy. Here's the loot. Luke's just having another nap. The dogs have already been released. But what a great afternoon. And this is why we RV, to do really crazy different things than we would otherwise, right? What do you think? If you got anything out of this, give it a thumb up. Love that. Comment. Is this something you would be interested in? Hate, maybe? You can send me hate mail.